In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate cubic yards in Bluebeam. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to over here on the left-hand side and you want to click on measurements. Now, if you cannot see that for some reason, you want to go to window up top, hover over panels, and then over here it says measurements, click on that or press Alt plus U on your keyboard and it's going to pop up this window over here. What you want to do from here is basically select this volume tab up here. So the volume tool, click on it, and then over here basically just select whatever you want to measure the volume of. For example, just for this quick tutorial, I'm going to do this part over here. There we go. Right now it's showing 0. So what you have to do here on the left, under volume measurement properties, you want to go ahead and put in your depth. So here you can select in what you want to do that. So of course you could do, for example, in yards or whatever you want to do. It's completely up to you. I'm just going to put in a random number over here and it's going to give us a calculation here. And what you then have to do to see this and in cubic yards, where it says volume down at the bottom under volume measurement properties, here you want to go from cum to this one, which is basically cuyd, which is cubic yards. Click on that and there we go. You've successfully gotten and calculated your cubic yards in Bluebeam. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.